Add oil to the heated pan. Sauté onion and garlic. Add sliced pork into the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Cook its pork for 3 minutes. Add in sliced shallot and carrots. Put some pepper powder and seasoning granules. Pour 2 cups of hot water into the pan. Add salt to taste. Add Pansit ramen. If you like my video, please do share to your friends. Thank you so much and God bless. Mix it well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the sliced cabbage. Mix it well to incorporate all ingredients. Garnished with boiled quail eggs. Taste it and it's done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.